our channel. In today's lecture, I am going to explain you what you mean by an instruction code and what are the different types of instruction code. Instruction code is nothing. It is a group of bits that instruct the computer to perform a specific operation. That means if we want to add two numbers, instead of using the command add, our computer uses its corresponding 16-bit binary code to perform the same operation. Let's see what are the different types of instruction codes. There are mainly three different types of instruction code format. First one is memory reference instruction, second one is register reference instruction, and the third one is IO instruction. Memory reference instruction. As the name indicates, it uses a memory word to specify the address of its operand. That is, if we want to add two numbers, one of the operand will be there in the accumulator and the other will be in the memory address specified in the instruction code. Here is the format of a memory reference instruction code. As I already mentioned, we are using a 16-bit code to represent an instruction code. Out of the 16 bits, first 12 bits are used to indicate the memory address. Next 3 bit, that is 12 to 14th bit, is used to indicate opcode. Opcode determines the type of the operation to be performed, that is whether it is an add operation, load operation or a store operation, etc. The last bit is called I bit, which will indicate whether the address given in the instruction is direct or indirect. Next, I will tell you how to differentiate different types of instruction code. That is whether it is a memory reference or register reference or IO reference. For this, we have to check the opcode bits, that is 12 to 14 bit. If the value of opcode is in between 000 to 110, it means the given instruction code is a memory reference instruction code. If it is a memory reference instruction, we have to find out the address given is direct or indirect. For this purpose, we have to check the 15-bit I bit. If the value of I bit is 0, it means the address given is a direct address. Otherwise, it is an indirect address. There are around 7 memory reference instructions. The AND operation is indicated by the opcode 00. Add operation is indicated by opcode 001. Load operation by 010. Store operation by 011. Branch unconditionally by 100. And branch save and return address by 101. Increment and skip if 0 by 110. These are the 7 different types of memory reference instructions. For example, if we have an instruction code 0001XXX, here XXX is used to represent the memory address. Okay, firstly our CPU will decode the instruction code and will check the opcode bits, that is 12 to 14 bit, to identify whether it is a memory reference, register reference or IO instruction. If it is a memory reference instruction, it will identify which type of memory reference instruction is. Next, we have to identify whether the address given is direct or indirect address. For that, we have to check the 15th bit. Here the 15th bit is 0, so it means it is a direct address. Here the opcode bit is 001. That means it is a memory reference add instruction. So we will directly move to the address given and will fetch the content, and that content will be added with the content of accumulator. So if the address indicated by XXX is 100, then it will go directly to the 100th location and will fetch the content at the 100th location. That is, if the value is 10, will be fetched and will be added with the content of the accumulator. For example, if the content of accumulator is 11, then 11 plus 10 will perform and the result will be stored back to the accumulator. Suppose the I bit given is 1, then we have to find the indirect address. That means we have to move to the address given, that is for the 100th location, and from that we will get another address. Here it is 200. So we have to move to the second address, and from the second address 200 we will get the content or value, that is 10. After that, value will be added with the content of accumulator and the result will be stored back to the accumulator. Next, if the opcode bit is 111, then it may be register reference or IO reference. In order to differentiate it, whether it is a register reference or IO reference, we have to check the 15th bit. If it is 0, it means it is a register reference instruction. If it is 1, that means it is a IO reference instruction. That is, 0 will indicate the register reference and 1 will indicate the IO reference instruction. Thank you.